You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that I know a lot of people mispronounce, because it is a bit confusing, and there are two different pronunciations in English: British English and American English. So stay tuned to learn more pronunciations. Dupe is the British English pronunciation. Dupe. American English is pronounced as dupe. It's a bit like new and new. Americans say it differently, dupe. British English pronunciation, how to pronounce dupe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.